Welcome back to another fantastic property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are back again in Venice, Florida, looking at this gorgeous model home by John Cannon Homes. This is called the Warena Plan, and I'm so excited to walk this property with you because this is the first time we showcase this builder. Now, starting on the exterior, you see we have the stacked stone. You also have the wood accents, and then what really catches my eye is the massive covered front porch. It's surrounded by stucco. You have a tile roof. Right over here to the left is going to be your 3-car garage. Love our motor court. Plenty of parking available for any friends or family, or if you plan to entertain down the road and you were to build this exact plan, this is going to be something for you. Now, of course, with some of these production builders and some of these other builders, they have a ton of other plans to, let's say, for instance, if you need a little bit more square footage, a little bit less, they can accommodate. So don't worry, I really just want to show this beautiful model home because you will not be disappointed. Now, you see you have the outdoor lanterns, and then I just love the high ceilings. You have the recessed light with the wood ceiling as well. But look at this massive double front door. Gorgeous. Love that. And then you can, of course, see already getting a sneak peek of that backyard oasis. All right, so let's get you inside. First and foremost, let's take a look at our foyer. So you see the high ceilings continues as you walk in here. You got the beautiful pendant light right there. You got this wallpaper surrounding this, wood flooring, really doing a great job of complementing this model home. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is turn you around, of course, so you can see the front door from the inside and then get you inside of this great room. So love the high ceilings inside of here. You see we have the exposed beams. Look at the beautiful area where our fireplace would be right here. You see it's the stacked stone. Now you can make that a fireplace. Of course, they have it situated as like a little showpiece or something of that nature. But I love the shelving that continues as far as our built-in. All right. So this is a massive area, like I mentioned all the time, perfect for entertaining, that open concept that a lot of folks are looking for. Now, as soon as you head this way, of course, you got your kitchen with your massive island, but look at the space that you have available. I'll do a full pan so you can see the full scope of this entire kitchen. Look at that. So you got your stacked cabinets on top with the glass panes. You see that you have the tray ceilings with the crown molding inside. Pendant lights right above our island. You got your breakfast bar right there. And look at that. Just really flows extremely seamlessly. And then look at the width right here. Love that. So if you got 5-10 people inside of here doing different things, you know, cutting up some celery or some lettuce, making some stew, gumbo, all the above, this is a perfect place for you. Of course, you got the quartz countertops. This is going to be the sink inside the island overlooking your great room. But I just love this. Now you see the cabinetry with the black hardware in here. And I, of course, open up some of these for you. You got soft closing. Got your trash drawer right here. You got your stainless steel appliances. Look at that. Massive space for an oversized refrigerator here. So we got Bosch appliances in here. You got your double oven here. Now, like I always mention, of course, this is the model home. They're gonna dress this to the nines, curate the furniture, pick out some of the materials that are gonna be appealing to the eye. So if you wanna tone this down a little bit or tone it up, you can certainly make those adjustments to your own particular plan. Now you'll also see that the crown molding right here extends all the way over here. So the tray ceilings, but then you have additional crown molding right below that. Plenty of cabinet space. Look at this. So you'll never have to worry about additional storage. Plenty of space available. Okay, so what we're gonna go ahead and do is head this way. So straight ahead, of course, is gonna be the sales office, but that would be your 3-car garage. So heading this way, you're gonna have an additional bedroom. And then right here to the left, you have your walk-in pantry. A ton of shelving available. You see you have the wooden shelving, the wood flooring extends inside of here. And then of course, if you ever wanted to increase the shelving all the way to the ceiling, you can always do that. Sometimes might be optimal for you, depending on your situation and circumstances. So you already have a closet right here with the double door. Now this side is going to have the utility room as well. So right over here to the left, this is your utility room. So look how much space you have available, all the counter space you can imagine, and then additional cabinetry and drawers for your own personal your own needs. Let's just say that. So the crown molding extends up here. You already got a built-in sink. This is a massive washer and dryer. So you can imagine any size dryer and washer will fit in here. You got some additional cabinetry right above that. Then got like a little built-in right here. If you want to kind of hang out, or look, you can always sit down while you fold clothes. Hey, win-win, right? Love what I'm seeing. Got your storage closet right here with your wooden racks. That's going to be your open mud room. You already got your hooks available, your accent wall right there. And then heading straight up right over here across the hall, look at this. How neat is this? You have your sliders and your own private patio. One thing I love about this is how open this is as far as the bedroom. So that's a queen size bedroom, or a queen size bed. You got your 2 nightstands. You have a little chair over here for a nice little sitting area, tranquility. If you want to be indoors, let's say if it's raining, that's going to be a perfect place for you. But then you head out here. Look at this. Love that. Just kind of hang out here, read a book, and enjoy that Florida weather. So heading right across here, of course, this is going to be your closet. And this is not going to be inside of the bathroom. So you're going to have that separate. Got your wooden racks, that carpet inside of here. And then you got your own ensuite. Okay. So it looks like you got some handcrafted custom cabinetry right over here. And then you got your walk-in shower right here. Look at this. So plenty of space, especially for, some of the secondary bedrooms. You got your plant right here. You never know, water it as much as you need to. And then that's completely glassed and closed. Look at that, crown molding extends in here. You got your light fixture right above your mirror. And then you got the bare bones mirror right there. If you wanted to add the mirror frame down the road, you could do that. All right. So far, so good. Everything's looking great. And then you head over here to your little dining area, your informal dining area. You got a recessed area right over there. You add some more decor, but look how much space you have. Family of 6 would fit comfortably in here without a problem, overlooking that lake. Look, you got a lakefront property. What more could you really ask for, right? Love our massive sliders. It looks like a 10-foot slider. Could be wrong, but looks pretty similar to that. Now this is going to be the other bedroom. So it looks like it's going to be a shared patio space right there with this bedroom. So you might want to, argue. Maybe you get it Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and they get it, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or something like that. Love what I'm seeing. Now, like I said, this is the first time we've seen this particular builder. We showcased a couple places. This community is called Welland Park. So this is going to be a gated area, this gated section right here. Of course, there's a ton of model homes right now, so it's not closed off or anything like that. So you can, of course, visit it just to see it in person. Like I always say, it's always better to see a home in person, so that way you can kind of get the best feel of it. Hopefully the videos do it justice. So decent sized closets. Let me know in the comments if you prefer just walk-in closets inside of these secondary bedrooms, or Are you okay with the closet that size? Now you got that quick access door right there heading out to your covered backyard patio. We'll get to that in a little bit. But look at this. You got your full bathroom right here. That's going to be a shared bathroom, of course. Quartz countertops. You got that custom cabinetry. And then right over here, I like that wood-like tile. It's in a chevron pattern. Glass enclosed again. And then this is going to be more of that floating vanity that we see. Look at that. Real neat sconces. I like those. Pretty cool. It's always interesting when you go into some of these model homes and custom homes, the different fixtures that you didn't even know existed that they bring to the marketplace. So it's pretty cool. Then heading right over here, look at this. Now this is a perfect room. So this is technically a bonus room, right? In other words, you can do what you please with this one. So you can have this as a game room, a little media area, you know, a spot to entertain folks. You got the tray ceilings again, crown molding, and then those massive sliders right there. So I love the fact that you can open up from multiple access points depending on the day, right? You know, it just snowed here a couple months ago or so, so really just depends. But look at that quick little sneak peek. As always, we'll get to that towards the end, and that way you can see that. But I love the French doors opening up right here with the glass panes that you can take advantage of. Okay, so we've seen that wing of the house right there. Now this is going to be heading to your primary suite, of course. Before we head over there, I want to see the designated study. So you got the French doors leading inside of here. I love how much room you have available in here. It looks like we got 12-foot ceilings. You got this beautiful accent wall. Let me know what you think about the color, the color palette in here. And the entire house itself has kind of that traditional feel that you would see in some homes, but still with that modern elegance. Beautiful brass light fixture right there. All right, very impressive. So heading right over here to the right, let's go ahead and take a look at our primary suite. So before you enter in here, look at this. It sets the tone. Open up those double doors right there. You got your crown molding, the raised ceilings. Right over there to the right is a primary bath. Let's go ahead and start over here to the left. Okay. So you see that's a king size bed, your sitting area, your 2 nightstands, your accent wall, the tray ceilings, all that encompassing this entire primary suite. Then you got your nice picture windows overlooking your lake and your swimming pool back there. Man, let me turn you around so you can see the full scope. So I'm seeing a lot of pictures of family and things like that. So seems like a family oriented builder. Like what I'm seeing, very welcoming and inviting. And then look at this, you got your quick access door right over here. So a ton of access points back here. You can hang out there as much as you want to, but you still have a ton of walk room. Now you do have carpet inside of the rooms. I know I get a lot of comments as far as carpet inside of the bedrooms, especially, with some of these higher price point properties. So let me know in the comments if you like that, or if you would just kind of keep the wood flooring throughout. Okay, so massive closet. Look at this. You already got your island right here with the drawers. You have a ton of space. Now, from a practical standpoint, you probably add a lot more racks right on the lower end and up there just so you can have some additional storage available. But really just pay attention to the room size. Is this something that can, accommodate you and your loved one? I see there's a ton of space in here, even with the built-in island right there. Perfect. And then also I should mention, you got the double doors right there, double sliding doors. And then you head across the hall and look how neat this is. So you walk in, look at this, beautiful accents, the wood accents, the quartz countertops, the floating vanity, his and her sinks. Then I love the LED surrounding this mirror. Got that nice accent lighting. You got like a little niche area right over there. You can add some decor or some things like that. And then you look right over here, look at this. Now this is what I'm talking about. Beautiful. So you got your freestanding tub right here. You have a ton of space available. Then you got plenty of lighting. I just love what I'm seeing. So the crown molding in here. So every single room, I believe, had the crown molding. Then you have that glass enclosed shower right there. Man, right over here to the left, you are going to have your water closet, of course. But what's even neater is, look at this, a designated little yoga area or yoga room. That's what it says on the floor plan. But of course, if you wanted to add your Peloton or anything like that and just kind of hang out right here, you can do that. So let me know in the comments if you've ever seen something like this. It's pretty cool. You add it in the bathroom. Look, you only need to walk 2 or 3 steps. Wash off all the sweat, right? Wow. So then, down the road, if you wanted to add, the dual shower head or something like that, you can do that. I could see that. But you got your oversized shower niche with your wand. And then right behind this, you got your little storage closet. Okay. So last but not least, of course, we're going to head out to that backyard oasis. But goodness gracious, love how private that is. You can imagine hanging out there all day inside the bedroom. Okay. So they already got the sliders open for us. We are good to go. And look at this. I could get used to this view every single day. Goodness gracious. So you got your covered lanai right here. I'm always used to calling it the covered backyard patio. Lanai sounds a lot better, a lot more fancier, right? You can see the inside of the home right here, inside the great room. But look how much space you have available. Have the family out here, and then look at that. You already got an area right there where you can just kind of hang out, get some warmth. Nice sized pool overlooking that lake. Man. Then you head over here. You already got your outdoor kitchen over here. You got your built-in grill, your stainless steel range right there as well. So really, this house has everything that you can really want inside of a home. I don't see anything lacking. Maybe if you needed an additional bedroom or 2, you can certainly do that. Build your own place and use this floor plan as a reference, and you will certainly be good to go. But other than that, family, that was another beautiful model home tour. All right, Rankin family, that was it for another beautiful model home tour by John Cannon Homes. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this particular model. Is this something you could see yourself living in? Would you make any modifications? If so, let me know in the comments below. Of course, if you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information in the description. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.